If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize a management report in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar, and then click the Management Reports tab in the page that opens to the right to view the management reports. To duplicate an existing management report to use as the basis for a new management report, click the drop-down in the Action column of the desired management report to use as the basis for a new custom management report, and then select the Duplicate command to create a copy of it. To customize the new copy of the management report, then click the drop-down in its Action column and select the Edit command to open the management report window. Alternatively, to create a new management report from scratch in QuickBooks Online, click the plus Management Report button in the upper right corner of the Management Reports list to immediately open the Management Report window. To name or rename the management report, type a name into the Management Report Name field in the upper left corner of this window. To set its default reporting period, select a choice from the Report Period drop-down in the upper right corner of the window. Icons for the different sections of the Management Report template appear in a list at the left side of this window. The default sections are Cover Page, Table of Contents, Preliminary Pages, Reports and Charts, and Endnotes. To show the customization settings for a section, click its icon at the left side of the window to show them in the area to the right. The toolbar at the bottom of the window contains buttons for managing the custom management report. To customize the management report's cover page in QuickBooks Online, click the cover page icon at the left side of the window to show its settings to the right. To choose a cover page style, click the Template drop-down and select a style from its menu. The currently selected logo, as set in the Account and Settings window, appears to the right in the Logo area. To hide the logo in the report, uncheck its checkbox. Note that the changes you make appear in the preview at the window's far right side. To change the text on the cover page, edit the desired values in the cover title, subtitle, report period, prepared on, prepared by, and disclaimer fields. To hide a cover field's text content from the report, delete the field's content. To customize the management report's table of contents in QuickBooks Online, click the Table of Contents icon at the left side of the window to show its settings to the right. To hide the table of contents from the management report, hover over its section icon and then click the eyeball symbol that appears to place a strike-through through it. To show it again, click the same icon to remove the strike-through. To change the title of the table of contents, change the value in its title field to the right. The names of any reports included within the Reports and Charts section appear as entries in the Preview section to the right. To customize the management report's preliminary pages, click the Preliminary Pages icon at the left side of the window to show its settings to the right. To hide the preliminary pages from the management report, hover over its section icon and then click the eyeball symbol that appears to place a strike-through across it. To show the section again, click the same icon to remove the strike-through. To change a preliminary page's title and content, type it into the Page Title and Page Content fields to the right. To edit page content, apply formatting, or insert company data fields, Use the toolbar buttons at the top of the Page Content field. Preliminary pages often contain additional information about the reports or the company. To add additional preliminary pages to a management report, click the Add New Page link at the bottom of the current page, and then repeat the process of adding a page title and page content to it. To delete a page you added, click the trash can icon in its upper right corner. To change the reports and charts contained within the management report, click the Reports and Charts icon at the left side of the window to show its settings to the right. To hide the reports and charts from the management report, hover over its section icon, and then click the eyeball symbol that appears to place a strike-through across it. To show the section again, click the same icon to remove the strike-through. To remove an existing report from the reports list, click the trash can icon at the right end of the report in the reports list. Alternatively, to edit the report's details, click the Reports row or click the pencil icon towards the report row's right end to expand the row and show the report's details. Alternatively, to add a new report row to the bottom of the report list and expand it to show its details, click the Add button in the upper right corner of the Reports and Charts list, and then select the Report choice. To change which report appears in the expanded report row, select a report from the Report dropdown. To change the selected report's title or reporting period, type a new title into the Report Title field or select a new period from the Report Period dropdown. If available, to compare the selected period to the previous year or period, check the Compare Previous Year and/or Compare Previous Period checkboxes as needed. Any reports within this report list appear as entries in the Table of Contents pages if you choose to show the Table of Contents in the management report. To customize the management report's endnotes, click the Endnotes icon at the left side of the window to show its settings to the right. Endnotes often include a closing page with a breakdown of subaccounts. To hide the endnotes from the management report, hover over its section icon and then click the eyeball symbol that appears to place a strike-through across it. To show the section again, click the same icon to remove the strike-through. To edit the endnotes page's title or its contents, change its page title or page content fields to the right. To edit page content, apply formatting, or insert company data fields, use the toolbar buttons at the top of the Page Content field. To also include a breakdown of subaccounts, check the Include Breakdown of Subaccounts checkbox. Doing this then creates a schedule that lists any subaccounts for line items in your reports when you preview the report. To save your changes to the management report, click the Save button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Alternatively, to cancel your changes, click the Cancel button in the toolbar. To preview or print the management report, click the Preview Report button in the toolbar to open the report in a Print or Save as PDF window. Then, print or download the report in this window as usual. To show advanced management report options, click the More Options button in the toolbar to open a small window. To change the company name or report end date field values if you inserted either variable into this report and want it to differ from its default value, type the desired values into the fields next to the company name and report end date labels in the Fields section. To add custom information to the header and/or footer of the management report pages, type the text into the header and/or footer field. To insert a variable at your insertion marker's location in either field when editing it, click the Fields button at the right end of the header or footer field when editing it, and then select the variable to insert from the drop-down menu. To show only non-zero rows and columns in the report, check the Show Only Non-Zero Rows and Columns checkbox. To save these options and close the window, click the OK button in this window when finished. To save your changes and close the window, click the Save and Close drop-down button in the toolbar. Alternatively, to duplicate, email, or export the management report, click the drop-down on the Save and Close button, and then select either the Save As, Send, Export as PDF, or Export as DOCX command. These commands correspond to the commands you can select from the Management Reports Action Columns dropdown in the list of management reports in the Management Reports page. To save a duplicate copy of the report, select the Save As command. To email the report, select the Send command. To save the report as a PDF, choose the Export as PDF command. To save the report as a Word document, choose the Export as DOCX command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.